Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. In 2025, managing your digital assets securely is more important than ever, especially with rising hacks and scams. Today, I'll guide you through sending USDC from Bitmart to your Trezor hardware wallet. This step-by-step process is simple, but always prioritize safety to protect your funds. Let's dive in. First, make sure you're prepared. You'll need a verified Bitmart account with USDC in it, your Trezor device set up and connected to a computer, and the Trezor Suite app installed. If you haven't done this yet, pause here and get everything ready. It's crucial for a smooth transfer. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account using your credentials. Once in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section to find your USDC balance. Step 2. Click on Withdraw next to your USDC. You'll see options for the network. Double-check that it's the correct one, like Ethereum, as networks can vary in 2025 based on updates. Step 3. Now, grab your Trezor wallet address. Plug in your Trezor device, open the Trezor Suite app, select your USDC wallet, and copy the address. Remember, crypto addresses are long and case sensitive, so accuracy is key to avoid losing your assets. Step 4. Paste the Trezor address into the withdrawal form on Bitmart. Enter the amount of USDC you want to send, and review any transaction fees. They can add up, so choose wisely. Step 5. Hit Confirm, and complete any two-factor authentication, 2FA, steps for extra security. Bitmart might send a confirmation email or code, so keep an eye on that. After initiating the transfer, monitor the transaction using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. One last tip. Always verify addresses multiple times and never share your private keys. Using a hardware wallet like Trezor keeps your crypto offline and safe from online threats. There you have it. That's how you send USDC from Bitmart to Trezor in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next video.